Welcome everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for Ontell, set up your AI assistant for your business, test it, and complete your subscription. All step by step, right in front of you. Let's get started. This is the Ontell homepage. Click Start Free Trial to begin. The login page will appear. If you already have an account, click Sign In. To create a new account, click Sign Up. You can also sign in directly with your Google account. Step 1. Choose your business type. You'll find ready options: e-commerce, restaurant, clinic, real estate, and more. The platform will automatically configure your AI based on your selection. Choose what fits your business, then click Continue. Step 2. What do you want the AI to handle? Customer support to answer questions and resolve issues. Order tracking to update customers on their orders and shipping. Sales and recommendations to suggest products and boost sales. Enable what fits your business, then click Continue. Step 3. Your AI's personality and tone. You have 4 options: professional, friendly, urgent, and consultative. I chose friendly, warm, and conversational, which works best for most businesses. In the language section, choose your default language. Enable auto-detect customer language so your AI automatically replies in whatever language your customer uses. Then click Continue. Step 4, and this is the most important one, your business knowledge base. This is where you enter everything you want your AI to know and answer. You'll find a great feature here: autofill from website. Enter your website URL and the platform will pull your data automatically. Let me show you. I'll enter my website link now and wait for it to load. See? The platform scanned several pages from my website and extracted the data. But be careful, this feature doesn't always work perfectly. If your website is encrypted or doesn't include all your business details, you won't get accurate or complete information. Here's the better method I recommend. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a complete professional summary of your business, including business name, services, prices, working hours, return policy, and contact info. Just like you see on screen, I asked ChatGPT to write me a full summary, then I copied and pasted it into this field. Review it, make sure everything is accurate, then click Save and Continue. The more detailed and accurate your information, the better your AI's responses will be. Step 5, the final step. Test your AI before launching it to real customers. Type any question your customer might ask. For example, I typed "Hi," and it immediately replied with a warm greeting that reflects our brand. Then I asked, "Can I make an order?" and it's preparing the response now. If the answers are accurate, great, your AI is ready. If you find any issues, go back to step 4 and update your information. When you're satisfied, click Deploy to WhatsApp. The subscription page will appear. You have 3 options. I'll go with the growth plan. It fits my needs perfectly. Important note, the 7-day free trial will ask for your credit card details. But don't worry, nothing will be charged right now. The amount due today is $0. Your card is only needed for verification and to activate your account. You can cancel any time before the 7 days end and you won't be charged a thing. The welcome screen appeared. Your subscription has been activated successfully. This is your main dashboard. You'll notice the connection status says disconnected, meaning we haven't connected WhatsApp yet. A window will appear asking you to add your WhatsApp number. This number will be used to send you escalation alerts when a customer needs human assistance. Enter your country code and number, then click Save and Continue. That's everything for this video. Your account is created, your AI is set up and tested, and your subscription is active. In the next lesson, we'll take a full tour of the Ontell dashboard and explore every section together. See you there.